Already we have learnt about autocorrelation function and cross correlation function. Today we are going to see about power spectral density. Power spectrum of a time series describes a distribution of power into frequency components composing that signal. For example, a mobile signal has most of its transmitted power around 1800 MHz. Power spectrum of a random process x of t is defined by Sxx of omega equal to limit t tends to infinity mean square value of omega divided by 2t. Next is average power. Average power of a random process x of t is defined by Pxx equal to limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t integral minus t to t e of x square of t dt. Power density spectrum of a WSS process. Power density spectrum of a WSS process is defined by Sxx of omega equal to integral minus infinity to plus infinity Rxx of tau into e power minus I omega tau d tau, which is nothing but is a Fourier transform of autocorrelation function, which is Rxx of tau. That is the inverse Fourier transform. Rxx of tau equal to 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity Sxx of omega e power I omega tau d omega. These pairs are called as Wiener-Khinchin relations. Properties of power spectral density. The first property is Sxx of omega is real and Sx of omega is greater than or equal to 0. The second property is the spectral density function of a real random process is an even function. That is Sxx of minus omega equal to Sxx of omega. So let us prove the second property by the definition of Sxx of omega, which is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity Rxx of tau e power minus I omega tau d tau. To prove it is an even function, let us take omega equal to minus omega. So the result changes as Sxx of minus omega equal to minus infinity to plus infinity Rxx of tau equal to e power I omega tau into d tau. To integrate this, let us use the substitution method. Let tau equal to minus u, then d tau is equal to minus du. Then the limit will also varies from infinity to minus infinity. Now the result Sxx of minus omega equal to plus infinity to minus infinity Rxx of minus u e power minus I omega u minus du. We are taking the minus outside and integrating, we get integral minus infinity to plus infinity Rxx of u into e power minus I omega u du, which is nothing but Sxx of omega. Hence it is a even function. These are the results in Fourier transform. These results are going to use in power spectral density. In the next session, we are going to see the problems and power spectral density using these results.